Should you buy one of these cheap lapel microphones? Well, stick around and we'll find out. Right, let's just have a look at this then. So, we've got the main microphone here, and it comes with a TRRS cable. So it allows you to plug it into an iPhone or any of those newer laptops that support the TRRS connection. It also comes with an adapter that converts the TRRS to the TRS, in which case you could then plug that into a traditional microphone in. Comes with 2 wind muffs, and then it also comes with a TRS to TRS extension cable and a nice little bag as well. So, build quality. Well, first of all, the connectors are nice and strong. They're made of plastic, but the plastic is good quality. It's quite hard. The connectors are nice, gold plated. They don't seem cheap and nasty. It has a big beefy crocodile clip. And if you look inside the microphone, it's made of metal. And it's got gold plated metal grille inside as well. So I guess the question is, should you buy one of these? I believe you should. The main win of this microphone is that it's so cheap, but yet the improvements that you get are so great. Sure, it's not going to be as good as a Rode microphone that costs 5 times the price, but compared to the onboard microphone on this camera, it's a no-brainer. And not only that, but it's far more professional looking to have this attached to your t-shirt than to have a pair of earbuds dangling down your t-shirt. There is one small downside to this though, and that is that this camera doesn't have a microphone in. So I'll have to connect this into my iPhone, record the audio in Voice Memos, and then sync it up later on with the camera footage in Final Cut. But it's not that big a deal. If you are an iPhone videographer, then this would be perfect, because then you wouldn't have to sync the audio and the video together. Right, let's compare the audio from this microphone versus the onboard camera that you're listening to now, and we'll throw in the Apple EarPods as well. Right, this is the sound you're hearing from the Canon G7X onboard camera, and it has no wind filter. And this is the sound you're hearing from the lapel microphone. The quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. And this is the sound you're hearing from the Apple EarPods. The quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. A link to this microphone will be in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. The quick brown frog. The quick brown frog. No, fox. It's fox.